Hi, this is Stuart Talley. I'm the partner here at Kershaw, Cutter & Ratanoff in charge of the Stryker Rejuvenate cases. And I'm here today to talk about a question that we receive often, and I received this question just yesterday from an individual in Medford, Oregon who has a Stryker Rejuvenate hip. And one of the big concerns that she had was the statute of limitations and how it might impact her legal rights in this case. Unfortunately, there really is no black and white rule on the statute of limitations in any given situation. Sometimes it's very gray. The time period that a statute runs, it's usually 2 years in most states. Some years it's 1 year, in some states it's 1 year. But the really tricky question is, when does it start to run? Does it start to run from the date you had your Stryker put in? Does it start to run from the date of the recall? Or does it start to run from the date that the surgeon tells you you have a recalled hip? Does it start to run from the date you find out you have high cobalt and chromium, or does it start to run from the date the doctor says you need a revision surgery? Any one of those dates is potentially the start date for when the statute starts to run. And so the safest thing to do is use the earliest date you can, because you don't want to give Stryker any kind of ammunition to argue that your case should be dismissed or doesn't have any merit. So it's very important to get in touch with an attorney right away if you have a Stryker Rejuvenate hip, to ensure that that statute of limitations doesn't run on your case. Again, my name is Stuart Talley. I'm the partner here in charge of the Stryker cases. Feel free to call me and I'll answer any legal questions you have, and I can maybe give you some information about what we know from our many other clients who have Stryker hips.